Good day everyone, my topic is all about conic section ellipse. Ellipse is the set of all points in a plane, the sum of whose distances from two fixed points called foci. The longest diameter is called major axis and has length 2a. The shortest is called the minor axis and has length 2b. The properties of the ellipse. First is the center. The center is at the origin, or C, parenthesis 0 and 0. The vertices at V, positive and negative A, and 0. The foci are at F, positive and negative C, and 0. The endpoints or extremities of the minor axis are at 0 and positive and negative B. The orientation is major axis along the axis. So the eccentricity or measures the flatness of the ellipse E is equal to C over A, square root of A squared minus B squared less than 1. The directrices are X is equal to positive and negative A squared over C and A over square root of 5. Then D1 plus D2 is equal to 2A. So that are the properties of the ellipse. So now let's see the graph of that properties. So this is looks like. So the ellipse is the graph is look like this because the center is at the origin. Then the center is at the origin. Then the vertices is 0 and 3, then 0 and negative 3. Then the foci are 0 and square root of 5, then 0 and square root of negative 5. Then the endpoints is negative 2 and 0, then 2 and 0. Then the orientation is major axis along the y-axis. The eccentricity or E is equal to square root of 5 over 3, or in whole number 0.74536. The directrices is equal to y is equal to positive and negative A squared over C, or y over square root of 5. So that is why the graph of these properties looks like this. Next is our example. The focus is 0 and 3, then the vertex is 0 and 5. So A or the vertex, then C or the focus. So A is equal to 5, C is equal to 3. So the formula is C squared is equal to A squared minus B squared. So 3 squared or the C squared is equal to 5 squared minus B squared. Just do the additive inverse. So B squared, because mo na siyang gibalhin din ha, additive inverse. So 25, 5 squared is equal to 25. Then 3 squared is equal to 9. So B squared is equal to 25 minus 9. So B squared, or so 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. Just put square root both sides. Then so B squared root is B. So square root of 16 is 4. So the answer is B is equal to 4. Next is, let's move on to the, so based on the formula, which is x minus h squared plus x minus h squared over b squared rather plus y minus k squared over a squared is equal to 1, the formula. So, you just substitute the given. So, x minus 0 squared over 4 squared plus y minus 0 squared over 5 squared is equal to 1. So, x squared over 16, because 4 squared is equal to 16. So, x squared over 16. Then, 5 squared is equal to 25. So, the final equation is x squared over 16 plus y squared over 25 is equal to 1. So this is the graph. The graph looks like this. So thanks for watching and listening. That's all. Thank you.